Media planning plays a large role inside the advertising industry. When you're developing a creative strategy, and sometimes before, you're thinking about the media platform you want to host your advertising message. The platform you choose will depend on the demographic you are trying to reach and the type of message you are offering. When creating an impactful advertising campaign, no matter the platform, advertisers rely on research to develop strategies. New platforms and channels within a platform are emerging every year. Let's begin our overview with a traditional platform and one that is still the most dominant. Traditional platforms like TV, print, and radio reach a wide audience, but measuring who has seen your message is difficult. Digital platforms can be more targeted and easier to measure. Television continues to be the leading platform which reaches the most people, but that might not be for long as consumers' media consumption habits change, propelled by technological innovations. TV landscape continues to fragment. There are still traditional TV stations with local broadcasts. There is syndication, which brings national programs to your local stations, and then there is cable TV, which has specialized programming like ESPN, a sports channel, or BET, which targets African American viewers. In broadcast programming, day parting is a practice dividing the broadcast day into several parts. It's important you understand the viewing habits of your demographic so you can choose the right time segment. In-depth research might identify unique times your consumers are watching. Perhaps the 7 a.m. weather traffic report or the late night comedy shows are ideal to reach your audience. Print advertising uses physically printed media to reach consumers on a broad scale. Ads are printed in hard copy across different types of publications, such as newspapers, magazines, brochures, and direct mail. Print ads can be highly targeted as consumers decide which print material they will choose to view. Though many magazines have gone out of business or become digital, there is still a large variety of magazines, including trade magazines, which target specific work segments. Magazine readers consume the magazine message at their leisure. This is an advantage as you have a good chance to message them when they are most receptive. Plus, the ad can be viewed numerous times, and print ads, like direct mail, can be customized. Outdoor advertising, or as the ad industry refers to it, out of home, OOH, is an advertising that is regularly viewed out in the world. The pros of out of home is you can geographically select your location. You can reach a large number of consumers and it can have a high impact. The OOH format can also make a simple ad more impactful by displaying it on a huge billboard or as a bus wrap. Advantage of using radio as your media platform is its high reach ad frequency, selectivity, and cost efficiency. The average person listens to an hour of the radio a day, even more when you consider the popularity of podcasts. Digital media allows your advertising message to reach the consumer at any time, in any place. The smartphone has revolutionized the ad industry. Digital ads can be creatively engaging, targeted, and interactive. Most importantly, the data you can get is unprecedented. You can track consumer clicks, learn if the ad led to a sale, and you can follow the consumer as they go to different platforms. Within the digital advertising ecosystem, there are both internet platforms and application platforms, and sometimes there are both. There are also interesting mixes of traditional and digital platforms like Hulu. Social media is part of this mix, and the number of platforms grow each year. Sometimes it's difficult to separate the entertainment from the advertisements. The digital ecosystem is vast. With digital, the opportunities seem endless. Making the right choice and learning how to message on these platforms are a constant challenge for advertisers.